Hello to my vlog, guys. I have done college till September. Last year I did level 1 animal care, but this year I did level 2 animal care. Then next year I'm doing level 3 animal care, hoping anyway. So there's a lot more videos going up on the channel this summer, but because I've got a lot of things planned, but because my cousin from Australia is coming to the UK for a month, so we are going on holiday. So yeah, can't wait. So yeah, please subscribe and like to see some more. And bye guys, bye.